Ever wondered how to choose the perfect wheel spacers for your vehicle? Wheel spacers are key components that shift your wheels outward from the hub assembly, enhancing your vehicle's stance, performance, and handling. Choosing the right wheel spacers involves considering several factors. So, what factors should you consider when choosing wheel spacers? First off, consider your vehicle's suspension clearance. The larger your wheel or tire, the more clearance you'll need. Now, let's talk about backspacing and offset variables. Backspacing is the distance from the hub mounting surface to the inner edge of the wheel. Offset, on the other hand, is the distance from the hub mounting surface to the center line of the wheel. Generally, lower offset means the wheel will sit further out, which can be useful for adding a lift kit or improving handling in off-road situations. Don't forget about the bolt pattern either. It's crucial to get this right to ensure a proper fit on your vehicle. Think of it as the blueprint for where your wheel's bolts will go. In addition to these factors, you'll also want to consider the material and quality of the spacers. The right choice can significantly boost your vehicle's performance and durability. Remember, the right wheel spacers can enhance your vehicle's performance and appearance. Quality and proper installation are key to the safety and reliability of wheel spacers. Using subpar spacers or improperly installing them can lead to failures, risking your safety. But with quality wheel spacers and proper installation, you can safely enjoy your off-road adventures. Have you heard of hub-centric wheel spacers? These clever devices ensure your wheels are perfectly secured, preventing any vibration issues during your drive. They keep your wheels centered and balanced on the hub, enhancing vehicle stability. Hub-centric wheel spacers provide an extra layer of safety and stability for your wheels. Choosing the right wheel spacers doesn't have to be complicated. Consider factors like size, backspacing, and offset. Prioritize quality and proper installation. Hub-centric wheel spacers offer the best fit and balance. Remember, the right wheel spacers can make a world of difference to your vehicle's performance and appearance. Choose wisely.